Hello students, today we are going to continue with number work. I hope you all have completed your homework on number names, writing figures, missing numbers, what Miss Philomena had taught you. So now let's begin with the next topic for number work. Now the first topic over here is your expanded form. Now here I have arranged the numbers in thousands, hundreds, tens and units. In the last term we had done with 3 digits. So now we are going to do it with the 4 digits. So the first number is 4,368. So how will you expand? So 4 is in the thousands place. So I write it as 4,000. 3 is in the hundredths place. So I put a plus sign and then I write 300. 6 is in the tens place. Again I put a plus sign and I write 60. Then I put a plus sign and 8 is in the units place. So I write it as 8. So this is the expanded form of 4,368. That is 4,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 8. The next number 5,000. Now 5 is in the thousands place. So I write it as 5,000. So the value of 5 in the thousands place is 5,000. And then we've got only zeros in the hundreds, tens and units place. So I write plus 0. Again, I put a sign, plus sign, again 0, plus sign, and again 0. The next number, 3,333. So 3 is in the thousands place. So we write the value of 3,000. So 3 as 3,000. Put a plus sign. It's very important to put a plus sign. 3 in the hundredths place is 300. 3 in the tenth place is plus 30. And 3 in the units place is plus 3. So the expanded form is 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Now 4,029. So 4 is in the thousands place. So I start with 4,000. I write it as 4,000. I put a plus sign. Now there's 0 in the hundredths place. So I just put 0. Then I put a plus sign again. 2 is in the tens place, so it becomes 20, plus the last number is 9, which is in the units place, so I write it as 9. So the expanded form of 4,029 is 4,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 9. The next number, 1,518. 1 is in the thousands place, so I write it as 1,000. I put a plus sign. 5 is in the hundredths place, so I write it as 500. Again, I put a plus sign. 1 is in the tens place, so I write it only as 10 because 1 tens are 10. Then again, I put a plus sign and 8 in the units place, I write it as 8. So the expanded form of 1,518 is 1,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 8. The last number for this exercise, 2,705. 2 is in the thousands place, so I write it as 2,000. I put a plus sign. 7 is in the hundredths place, so I write plus 700. I put a plus sign again. 0 in the tens place, I write it as 0. Then I put a plus sign again, and 5 in the units place, so I write it as 5. So the expanded form for 2,705 is 2,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 5. Now what you should also be doing is ask your parents to give you 4-digit numbers mixed so that you can read those numbers on your own. Now the next topic is reduced form. So reduced form is nothing but writing the number from the expanded form that is given. Now the first number is 1,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. So the answer is 1,000, 300, 40 and 5. So 1, 3, 4, 5. That is your reduced form. Now the next number is 4000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 4. The answer is 4. So for 4000 you will write it as 4. In the hundredths place you will write 0. In the tens place you will write 1. And in the units place you will write 4. So the number is 4014. The next sum is 3000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 8. So 3 is in your thousands place, so I write 3 here. 7 is in your hundreds place, so I write 7. 0 in the tens place, so I write 0. And 8 in the units place, so I write here 8. So the number is 3708. The next number, 2000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 0. So 2 in the thousands place, 4 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 0 in the units place. So the answer is 2420. Next one, 5000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So I write 5 in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 0 in the units place. So the answer is 5000. The last sum for this exercise, 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. So 1 in the thousands place, 1 in the hundreds place, 1 in the tens place, and 1 in the units place. So my answer is 1111. So these are the two exercises what we have learned for today. One is expanded form and one is reduced form. You'll be writing these sums in your math book and you will do these sums for your homework in the same book. So question 1, write the expanded form of the first sum 5010, second sum 2456, third sum 4079, fourth sum 3108, fifth sum 2990, sixth sum 3016, seventh sum 4389, and eighth sum 3900. Your question 2 is write the reduced form of the first sum is 4000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 7 is equal to dash. Second one, 1000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to dash. 3000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6 is equal to dash. 2000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 2 is equal to dash. 5000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to dash. 1000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 0 is equal to dash. 3000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to dash. 4000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to dash. So complete all your work neatly. And as I said, start reading 4-digit numbers. Ask your parents to give you jumbled numbers. That also you can practice. So see you children. Bye-bye.